Let's start our topic 1.2, which is types of matrices. We have different types of matrices. There are 12 different types of matrices. The first one is row matrix. For example, M is equals to 1, 2, 3. We call it row matrix because it has only one row. Any matrix which has only one row is called a row matrix. For example, you can see here M is equals to 1, 2, 3, N is equals to 4, 5, O is equals to 6. There is only one row, so we can call these matrices as row matrix. And then column matrix. Similarly, if we have only one column in a matrix, we call this matrix as a column matrix. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, B is equals to 1, 2, C is equals to 1. These three matrices are column matrix. Rectangular matrix. For example, we have this matrix, and the number of columns and number of rows are not equal. Then we call this matrix a rectangular matrix. You can see there are 2 rows and 3 columns in this matrix, so we call it rectangular matrix. Number of rows are not equal to number of columns. Square matrix. The number of rows and the number of columns are equal. For example, A is equals to 2 minus 1, 0, 3. You can see the number of rows. There are 2 number of rows and 2 number of columns. So this is a square matrix. Null or zero matrix. If each entry of a matrix is equals to 0, we call this matrix a null matrix or zero matrix. A is equals to 0. Each entry of this matrix is also 0. And this matrix has also 0 entries. So A, B, C are null or zero matrices. Transpose of a matrix. Suppose we have a matrix A. We change the number of rows by number of columns and number of columns by number of rows. For example, we have A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want to find its transpose. We denote the transpose by A transpose A T. So A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and A transpose is equals to number of rows 1, 2, number of columns, number of rows 3, 4, number of columns 3, 4. Negative of a matrix. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply this matrix simply by minus 1. By multiplying by minus 1, this matrix changed to this matrix. Minus A is equals to, each entry has a minus sign because these are positive. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus A is equals to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Similarly, symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equals to A, then we call that matrix A is a symmetric matrix. For example, we have a matrix A, 1, 1, 1, 1, and if we take transpose of this matrix, it is again A. A transpose is equals to A, so A is a symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equals to minus A, then the matrix A is called skew symmetric. For example, we have a matrix A, 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 0, and A transpose is by changing number of rows into number of columns and number of columns into number of rows. 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3. You can see this is the number of row and this is the column. This is row and this is column. A is equals to this, A transpose is equals to this matrix. If we multiply A by minus 1, you can see this matrix is equals to A transpose. It means A transpose is equals to minus A and the matrix A is skew symmetric. The next one is diagonal matrix. A is equals to this matrix, B is equals to this. A matrix is a diagonal matrix if at least one of the diagonal entry is non-zero. For example, we have a matrix A, 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. You can see that diagonal entries are 1, 2, 2. They are non-zero. So this matrix is diagonal matrix. Similarly, B is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. These two these two diagonal entries are non-zero. This is 0, but we have at least one non-zero entry, so this is also a diagonal matrix, scalar matrix. A matrix is a scalar matrix if the diagonal entries are equal. For example, A is equals to 1 0 0 1. You can see the diagonal entries 1 1. These two are equal, so this is a scalar matrix. Similarly, B is a scalar matrix. If we have C is equals to 1 0 0 2, then this matrix is not a scalar matrix because 1 is not equals to 2. Identity matrix. We denote identity matrix by I, and we write it as only the diagonal entries are 1, the rest of them are 0. I is equals to 1 0 0 1. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, and this is the matrix of order 2 cross 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0. All the diagonal entries are 1. This is the identity matrix. So these are the types of matrices. This is the exercise 1.2. You can easily solve it by the previous results. You just have to identify the different matrices: row matrix, column matrix, and null matrices. Try to solve these exercises, and if you have any difficulty, ask me in comment section. I'll discuss your problem.